Let's go ahead and get you started with your all-in-one custom makeup palette, 3D foundation, everything that is in one place no matter where you get started. In this video series, you're going to learn how to go ahead and put your palette together, skin prep, because that's like the most important thing, different ways to go ahead and do the application. Now, you will go ahead and try your makeup routine the first day, the second day. I promise the more you do the makeup and use it, the easier it's going to get. You're going to do great on your first application. Now, there's a few things that you want to go ahead and consider. If you have not been paying more close attention to your skin or have a skincare routine or even doing skin prep, that is going to be vital. As a makeup artist and an esthetician, I work with countless different clients. I can just tell you whether I'm in the med spa working doing facials or I am at the makeup chair doing makeup on someone, the skin is the foundation. So many people have asked me or even said that my makeup doesn't look like yours. It has to do with your skin. Just because you have a skincare routine that you're doing every day, it doesn't mean that the products that you're actually using are doing your skin justice. As a makeup artist, I'm just going to tell you that having the foundation taken care of, working on hydrating your skin as much as possible is going to give you the results of the glowy skin, the flawless makeup routine that you're actually wanting. Trust me when I say skin prep is going to be the most important thing. Don't skip it. Most people want to skip it and get straight to applying the makeup. I get it. We're all excited. I'm telling you, your end results are going to look fabulous whenever you can focus in on having beautiful skin. It doesn't have to be perfect skin. Healthy skin is what glows, and that is what makes your makeup, no matter what type of makeup that you're using, look absolutely incredible. Let's go ahead and get into the next video and set up this makeup palette, get you moving in the right direction so you can look beautiful, sophisticated, and elegant in your skin with your new makeup palette.